Let's talk about how the food you eat is actually talking to your brain.
You know those days where you feel foggy or irritable? Well, the answer might just be on your plate.
So, to see how food can help your brain, we've got to know what's trying to hurt it. Okay, so one of the biggest threats is something called oxidative stress. Think of it like rust for your brain.
And your brain is a prime target because it uses a ton of oxygen and is high in fat. Over time, this can lead to serious stuff like brain aging and even diseases like Alzheimer's.
But we've got a secret weapon in this fight. And it's probably not what you're thinking. It's your gut.
People call it your second brain for a reason. It has more nerve cells than your spinal cord. This gut-brain axis is a two-way street. Your gut bacteria are constantly influencing your mood. Okay, another big one that affects you every single day, that crazy blood sugar roller coaster.
You know that spike and crash from sugary foods? That directly messes with your focus and mood.
And just look at the difference. A protein-rich breakfast keeps you way more steady, no crazy spikes.
So now that we know the bad guys, let's talk about the good guys, the foods that fight back.
And it's cool, we can actually group these foods by the specific job they do for your brain. First up, antioxidants. Think of these as your grain's personal bodyguards, fighting off that rust. You can find them in some delicious places like blueberries, dark chocolate, and yep, even coffee.
So just how powerful are we talking? Well, in a study of more than 1,100 foods,
Walnuts ranked number 2. That's some serious protection for your brain.
All right, next up, let's feed that second brain we were talking about earlier.
Omega-3s literally build your brain cells, while things like sourdough feed all those good gut microbes. So what's the big takeaway here? It's not about one superfood. It's all about your overall diet pattern. So here's a simple strategy. Pack in those antioxidants, feed your gut, and keep that blood sugar balanced. Even one small change can make a huge difference. So what's one thing you'll do for your brain today?